Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Reddit account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Reddit account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in reddit.com like this and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for Reddit login on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the reddit.com login over here on the first result of Google. Click over there, and from the first tab, and let's close this. We are on the home page of Reddit, and to log into your Reddit account you can see the login option available over here on the top right corner of your screen. Or if you have not yet created an account on Reddit, you can see the sign up option available over here just beside login. Click over there to go through a procedure to create an account on Reddit. Now let's log into our Reddit account and click on login, and after that you can see the dialog box for login page open. And now to log into your Reddit account, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Reddit account. Or if you want to log into your Reddit account with Google or your Apple ID, you can see the continue with Google or continue with Apple ID over here. Click over there, and you will open these type of login page, from one from Google and another for ID. You can also use your Apple ID. Click here and enter your Apple ID over here, and then click on next to enter your password to log into the Reddit from your Apple ID. And similarly from over here, you'll be required to enter your Google details, your Google ID and your Google password to log into the Reddit from your Gmail. But from over here you can directly log into your Reddit from the Reddit account itself. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, you can see the forgot your username or password option available over here. Click on either of these to go through a procedure to retrieve them depending upon which one you lost. And there guys, this is how you log into your Reddit account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.